So one of the other things that I'm hoping to do is change up the intros to my videos. I've been following a guy, Efrén, and he's been doing the Appalachian Trail, which is quite a lengthy walk. It's about 100 days of walking, and he's on day 23, 24, somewhere around then. At least that's what he's put up so far. He has been doing it all on his phone and his iPad, and getting stuff uploaded quite quickly where he can get a Wi-Fi signal. So I took inspiration from his intro. I really liked it, and I'm going to try and trail two options. I can't decide which one I prefer, and I'll probably come down to the music, but I'm going to use one of those intros right now. So yeah, let's try this out. Well, good morning, folks. It's an early start. It is 5:35, and I am up trying to catch a sunrise. I'm going to be having a few of these over the next sort of week or so, where I'm trying to get a few sites along our coastline in the best possible light. So it's getting there early so that we get the sunrise and that nice early morning light. It is quite chilly this morning. Hands are freezing. Trying to fly a drone with cold hands is just not going to work for me. So I'm just having to wait right now. The sun is just coming up. It's an orange. Not that I can see it from here, because from here all I can see really is the castle in the distance there, and it blocks off my view of the sunrise. Not ideal. So I'm trying to give it a few more minutes. There's a bit of cloud out over the Irish Sea between here and Scotland, so I'm going to give it just a few more minutes to get slightly up higher above that, and hopefully the beams will start to make their way across. I just came across one of our local yobbos. It's actually a raven that's been pulling rubbish out of the bins. He's hiding away up there. There he is. That's the culprit himself. I just watched him from the car as he pulled rubbish out of the bin and chucked it on the ground. And quite often it's people that just eat at McDonald's that get the blame, but clearly it's these idiots that are pulling rubbish out just to get at it, including dog poo bags. He's at it again. He pulled another bag out and having to go through it? Seriously? He is one fat bird. Definitely. Just finished up here in Portmuck. It's a lovely little secluded harbour. There's a bit of a breeze coming off the coast, mind you, but it's a nice, clean area. It's very quiet. Other than a couple of fishermen, there's not really too many people about. So I'm going to pack up my stuff, get the drones tidied away, and then I have to head to the office, drop some stuff off there, and then back home and get editing. I've some stuff from last week to finish off and a few other bits to pull together, so that'll keep me occupied.